ceceni ya Inoro TV.
Mwiroreri cihandite wega thaa 10 cia hwaini mathaa mega ma gukumenyithia mamwe ma maria turathie na mbere na gukuhaririria metha-ini itu ya mohoro. Maya ni mohoro ma matemo na nie njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia, na tukiambiriria ni ati mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga ni agete na miario na maseneta rere maraririria dereti ya mubango wa kana wa kugayania besha iria itumagirwo thirikari cia county thutha wa mucemanio ucio uria woete mathaa kiheri bunge-ini ya Senate. Odinga augete egwetitwo ni Speaker Amason Kingi rere maseneta mamutariirie morito maria maragerera.
Important is to have a governance structure that works. Parliament is one of the three institutions of governance in our country. The executive, the legislature, the judiciary, and the others. Parliament represents the people, and Parliament makes the laws of the country. And Parliament also allocates resources in our country under the new constitutional dispensation. Senate need to play its role, just as the National Assembly also has its role to play. You know, we have got countries with a similar constitutional structure, and it works very well. So we'd like to see our Senate work just like the Senate of the United States of America is working. And give it proper powers and responsibilities. The same thing. So the National Assembly has also its sphere. And we say the National Assembly should do its work. And together, both National Assembly and the Senate form the Parliament. And the Parliament's role is to represent, to legislate, and to oversight. The three functions are very important. The executive uses the laws that are passed by Parliament to govern the country, and judiciary interprets it. This is how we want it to be.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga uria nowe munini wa muikariri wa kanjo ya magavana akinyiriria ate magavana matikuoya aruti a wira wa ugima wa mwiri rungu rwa mubango wa UHC mataneto besha cia kurugamirira marihi mao ni thirikari nene. Kahiga arauga thirikari nene ndingimaikiria murigo ucio wa aruti acio a wira hatari bajeti ya kumariha na matari ikundine iria aruti a wira othe a thirikari makorago.
Uria kwageire kumenyeka ni atiriri hindi yo ithe counties ciandikanaga na budgets na ndungioya andu utari na budget yao. Aya ni andu mararuta wira county mararihirwo Nairobi, tutiwe contract ciao ciathikirwo ciiranitwo atia, koguo tugekora turi undu wa kiriga na ni tukoretwo tukiuga atiriri origitani kana Ministry of Health ni gikiro kimwe kia indo iria cire cia counties na iria ke watho ge constitution inegeretwo counties. Tukakira waziri Duale, tukamwira waziri arutia ya wira ni yaku, arutia ya marutaga wira guku county no ni yaku niwe wa mandikire, we niwe na contract now, public service niwe na current contract now, no ginya thirikari yo mbeca iria ire ciao ciuke guku na itigoke ire itingia ciuke uria ciage tondu irero ne 3.4 billion ne kuga atiriri andu acio marihwo taria mari guku counties wabe uririkane andu acio marutete wira hakuhe miaka 5 mena kindu gitagwo gratuity kana maripo maria marihagwo mundu akirikia contract mbeca icio tutiyo kuria ire na tiarihe undu wa keri matirarihwo uria kwagiriire no na gutuka mararuta wira uria wagirei kugo tukoiga atiriri thirikari netige kwehitha mwiro uyu niwe yambiriirie na no wega kuheana bijane to we ni wa decide atiriri murwanyukwa ni ukumuhikaniria wa muhikaniria wa mwethera mutimia wa munengera athiage ikaraga nake we ugaga ni uri heanaga irio no kuri handu ri kinya wicirie ni ukugarura hau neho mahitia maitu mari ithuĩ tungenda kwira thirikari nene murigo ni wanyu angikorwo ni muri marehe kuri counties muthondeke kindu gitagwo conditional grant kana mbeca icio transfer kuma o kuria ikirio mwena wa counties.
Aikari a itura ria Kariobangi ya muhuro kaunti-ini ya Nairobi maraka ya kumana na gutumirwo nyanake cia kumahamurithia nyumba-ini ciao ni undu wa thire wa marihi ma nyumba. Aikari marauga nyanake ici irokire na guthukangia indo ciao na gucitenja. Aikari makiuga hindi ya gacagaca ino indo ciao ni ciraigirwo. Gitonga wa Wambui ena riboti makiria.
Aikari itura ria Kariobangi ya muhuro na aria maikaraga nyumba-ini cia kanjo mararakitwo ni njira ria thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ihuthirite kumahamurithia nyumba-ini ciao kumana na thire wa marihi ma nyumba. Mbica ici na iria cioetwo na njira ya thimu ironania nyanake ici ikuite indo cia nyumba iria irerekana ni cia uici na thutha wa kuingira nyumba-ini ici indo nyingi ni iraiyitwo guku ingi ikianangwo na kuhurunjwo thi. Gitumi kinene ari thire wa marihi ma nyumba.
Mundu uko ena thire wa mundu timehia na mundu aiko ena thire wa mundu na thire wa thirikari ya bururi ungi ndingi ukayambire ukagwetia andu na njira ya kuya indo na njira ya auction indo cia andu mathiaga magaikara thi makaraniria nigetha murikanire thire ici wakwa ni wa mbeca ici cigana ndurarega ukariha kuringana na mukurikanira.
Kenya yenyewe iko na deni. Mtu atakosa, sisi binadamu wa Kenya tutakosaje deni?
Aikari yao na gutuika matirarega mena thire wa nyumba maratetia njira ria thirikari ya Gavana Sakaja irahuthira kumahamurithia kuona iramatumire nyanake handu ha maafitha a kanjo aria mataukitwo uu wega ni wira wao.
Anatutumia goons wakuja evict watu, mali ya watu imeibiwa, wamama wanapigwa ndani ya nyumba na vijana ni goons. We asked for uniformed county officials wakuja wafanye eviction. Sisi tumeletewa goons. Hatuwezi kubali mambo kama hiyo.
Uka na adu civilized adu wega ona wako ana kiasi no na kiaitu mara heo wira ri maheo wira na njira njega nigetha mahote kuwa indo cia andu ni indo cia ciariao ona maeno indo ciao.
Igoro wagu aikari aya maugite gicunje kinene gia thiri uria maretio mehereirio ni uria wari Gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko no thutha wa Sakaja kuoya wathani akiaga gukinya nginyo-ini cia Sonko na kumetia mbeca.
Evictions zinafanyika. Mike Sonko Kabumba 047 Governor alipeana waiver ile alipeana kunadi gazettement. Saa hii hizi madeni hii inatuangaisha huku ni ile waiver Sonko alipeana Sakaja amerudisha.
Problem kubwa hapa ni corruption. Mtu akiingia anataka kupatia nyumba watu wake. Unasahau kuna people who were born here. Kuna watu walizaliwa kwa hizi manyumba. Sasa ni wazee kutoka 50 years.
Riu aikaria ya marakaira thirikari ya President Ruto kuingirira na kumahonokia kumana na kuhahithio ni thirikari ya Sakaja iria yonekete kwaga umundu kana tha kurio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Gitonga wa Wambui.
Ministry ya maundu maja wa bururi yugite muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu Boniface Mwangi nionekete mwena wa Ukunda Gicua-ini. Minister wa maundu maja wa bururi Musalia Mudavadi niwe wekirite mukode uhoro ucio uria witikiritwo ni family ya Boniface Mwangi. Mwangi riu arorete Nairobi na ndege thutha wake kuonekana muhaka-ini wa Kenya na Tanzania kuria arekereirio ni thirikari ya Tanzania. Mwangi uria ukoretwo moko-ini ma thirikari ya bururi turiganitie aroneka atari na hinya na kwina uhotekeku aya gukorwo ni aragereirio ihera na undu mwe na kunyamario ni atanyitwo gukinyio thibitari wona akinya Nairobi.
No, I'm just happy to be back home. I have gone through very 4 dark days. I have been tortured very badly. I can barely walk. But I'm very concerned about Agatha because we were tortured together and they did very horrible things to us. So I hope that Agatha is safe. So wherever Agatha is, she should know that you're praying for her and for her safety. And thank you to everyone who spoke, who stood with us. The solidarity wasn't in vain. Yeah.
They were dumped. Okay, he was dumped by himself. They were separated and we don't know where Agatha is or where she was taken. As at now, unless the media can say that they have heard from Agatha's family, we do not know. But Boni was dropped in Horohoro border post, and he found his way up to Lunga Lunga and got transport, and Kelef picked him up. I called Kelef and he picked him up.
We don't take this lightly. Boniface Mwangi was severely tortured. Agatha, the same thing. And as we speak presently, we don't know where Agatha is. At least we are seeing Boniface. We want to rush him so that he can get medical treatment. His condition is not good at all. As you will see clearly, he can barely walk. This is courtesy of Mama Samia's government. He was badly tortured in Tanzania. And every time they were doing this, they kept making reference to the president, asking him to say, Asante Mama Samia, Asante Mama Samia, as they were torturing him.
Na torture is against the law. Na jambo jingine, Tanzania bado hawajasema wamefanya dhambi gani. Hata kushikwa kuwekwa ndani na kupigwa na kukaa siku 3 umefungwa uso na pingu, anakwenda choni hivyo hivyo, kula hawezi kwa sababu akienda choni maskari wanaosimamia pale. Hii si haki. Na sisi twalaumu serikali ya Kenya, na ingekuwa si serikali ya Kenya, Boni yasingefika.
Tugetikana na icio ni ati thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ne komithitio kumana na ciiko cia kunyamaria endia a miariro guku Nairobi kuria makoretwo makiagagio undu uria utumite makoro magitara hathara. Akiaria bunge-ini ya Senator wa guthukio Karen Nyamu augete atumia na airetu nio makoretwo makinyamario na kuhahamwo kimwiri, nao arume magatungio bara ndito ni kanjo. Riu akienda kamiti ya bunge igie ugitiri kuthuthuria cieko ici na gutashukiria makinya ma kiwatho maabitha aria mekunyitikana na mahitia.
Mr. Speaker, recent events in the CBD have brought to light troubling incidents involving county enforcement officers against hawkers. These include physical assault, extortion, and sexual abuse, particularly targeting female hawkers. Such acts are not only unethical and unlawful, but also violate Article 28 and 29 of the Constitution, as well as statutes, including the Sexual Offences Act and the Code of Conduct for Public Officers. Mr. Speaker, the informal sector serves as a critical economic lifeline for many urban residents and should therefore be integrated into the urban economy. However, hawkers continue to face harassment and lawful arrests, confiscation of their goods, and intimidation, often by officers who are unidentifiable and operate with impunity. These actions have disproportionately affected vulnerable populations, including women, youth, and persons with disabilities, exacerbating their economic and personal insecurity.
Mwenge wa itura ria Fathi Kimende Lari ni ofanirie ekwiro a wici wa ng'ombe kuria ekwiro eri metharite no matiganiria ngari iria egukomboretwo na niguo kue ngari ng'ombe igiri iria cikuiyetwo kwa murimi umwe itura-ini iria Tikonyo. Mwingi ucokire kumudia ngari ino muthemba wa mwaki na gucokeria mwene ng'ombe mahiu make riu makienda borithi kunyitanira na niguo kuhukia uici wa mahiu uria wehereirie matura-ini ma Lari.
Muingi uria uma na matokoya ni mamundirie ngari imwe mwaki iria yuma na ekwirwo a uici wa ng'ombe itura-ini ria Fathi Kimende na kuhonokia ng'ombe igiri iria ikuyitwo na ciuma ngari-ini ino iri thabari-ini ya guthie kwendio.
Kumira guo kuinuka tuona ng'ombe ikurukitio guo maguru twaimania nayo thutha twathie nginya haria reflector-ini haria tuona ngari ino niho yuma tuona ngari yuma ni kuohetwo ng'ombe ingi hau thiini imwe twamirumirira uguo ngari ya kura mbone buti ya hinguka herori tuteithirie hanini ya muruka yona ni ng'ombe yoka yatuhitiriria ng'ombe ngari ino haha na andu acio mora iwe ngi twacoka twaikuruka hau kiara niho tumikorire yoheireirio.
Muingi guku urakaya ni guthinio ni aici a mahiu aria maratua kiugo na gwithara na ng'ombe cia gukamwo iria irathinjirwo githaka na nyama ciacio kwendio mbucĩrĩ-inĩ itiganĩte itukanĩtio na nyama kuma ithinjĩro-inĩ.
Koguo uici guku ni muingi na andu aya marenda ng'ombe iria nene nikio ona matiramaka kana ni ng'ombe ciarire ya gukamwo ng'ombe manene no matiratwara cia gukama marathie guthinja uguo na ici guthiaga guthinjwo
maturire marima mere kiugo kimwe gikoragwo na ng'ombe nyinyi mori no aigua na matinatindanira na icio mathie matharia kingi kiria kina ng'ombe nene koguo marenda ng'ombe iria nene no anyita tondu tutu tunini hi tutire na bei.
Kumana na uici uyu kwehiriria matura-ini maya arimi riu mayukitie njira ciao kiumbe iria kuringana nao ni iraciara matunda makigwatia borithi matikoretwo makiigiririka uthuthuria-ini riria kwanyitwo mikora ona kana riria mahura riboti ikuruhanite na uici wa mahiu.
Ni muingi na ithu tuthondekete na njira citu cia communication tutangetangatha andu a murimo uyu maigua andu magatuhurira twi murimo uria na ithu tukahurira mirimo othe tugokirania tondu guku gukiiywo ona gwitu gutie na security.
Riu mendekithitie borithi gwika uthuthuria wa aici aya kuona ngari ino ni iramenyeka na maratathi mamwe maria marutirwo ngari-ini ino mari na muhura wa mwene na migendere ya biacara yake.
Enda marute wira wa haraka wira uteguikara ni tondu already hena evidence kana hena wira wa mwene ngari no rio tigire document ngari-ini na niguo ona muingi witu na bururi ugie confident na borithi citu na thirikari itu.
Patrol cia borithi cikorwo cigikika matura maitu tondu nimamenyete piu ati guku ng'ombe ni iraiywo na gutire mwenya gutaraiywo ng'ombe.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV kuma Fathi Kimende Lari kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariobangi.
Thegio Charles Gikunga wa Kariobangi na hau mwiroreri-ini ho turatirihira mohoro maitu ma matemo mangi na njira ndaya nona cihanda thaa imwe na thaa ithatu cia hwaini na hwaini mwega ni njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.